Hello students, I am Parvesh Kumar from Golden Public School. Today in this video, I am going to tell you the introduction of the chapter The Sound of the Music Part 1. It is written by Deborah Cowley. Along with introduction, I will tell you the meaning of difficult words used in the passage and also summary of the chapter. So let us start from the introduction of the chapter. It is given. Let us discuss the title. Actually, the title itself is very interesting. Here the author says Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it. You are to keep in your mind, student, that the listening or hearing are different activities. Okay, listening and hearing are two different words. Hearing, we can say, when you are getting some sound and you are not able to understand the sound, even you are hearing it. But the listening means hearing with understanding. Hearing with understanding, and particularly in the reference of this chapter, we can say Evelyn Glennie was the girl who was not able to hear, but she can listen. Now we all wonder, we are confused. How can you listen to sound when you cannot hear? Is it able, student? Are you able? Just you can listen. You can listen to sound without hearing it. Not possible for us. So, this is something we will discover, that how Evelyn Glennie was able to listen to sound although she could not hear. She could not hear. Her ears were not able to respond the sound, but after that she can listen. Okay, before going to the summary, first I would like to tell you the meaning of difficult words. Here you can see jostle, that means push roughly, slight, small and thin. Daunting, that means frightening, scaring. Teenager, a person who is in his teens, that means his or her age is 13 to 19 years. Person who is 13 to 19 years old is called teenager. Okay, friends? Aspiring musician, a person who wants to be a musician, we can say aspiring musician. Profoundly deep, absolutely deep. Okay, this word is used for Evelyn Glennie. She was profoundly deep, but she could listen. You will come to know when you will read the summary. Gradual, in phases. Counsel, to hide. The next word is specialist. The meaning of specialist, that a doctor specializing in a particular part of the body. According to chapter, the meaning of specialist is a doctor specializing in a particular part of the body. Just. Next word is deteriorate. That means worsen, reduce, urged, requested. The next word impaired, weakened. Impaired, weakened. Pursue, to follow. Pursue, to follow. Then xylophone, the picture is given here and the meaning of the word: a musical instrument with a row of wooden bars of different lengths. Picture is given here. You can see the picture of the instrument also. Okay students, the next word is percussionist, a person who plays the drum, the tabla, etc. A person who play different musical instrument. Here potential, that means the quality or ability that can be developed. The next word is youth, young people, people like who are in college or high school. Orchestra, you very well know, group of musicians is known as orchestra. Audition, gave a short performance so that the director could decide whether she was good enough or whether one is good enough. That is audition. Orchestral work, the next word is orchestral work. The meaning of the word is group performance or performing in a group of musicians. Okay, so dear students, you got the meaning of the difficult words from the passage. Now the summary of the lesson. I am going to tell the summary of the lesson so that you can understand the chapter properly. Okay students, just we start the summary of the chapter. Evelyn Glennie is a multi-percussionist. That means a person who can play musical instrument, and Evelyn Glennie can play more than one instruments, many instruments. So she was a multi-percussionist. She has attended mastery over almost 1,000 musical instruments despite being hearing impaired. She could not hear with his ears. Dear students, you are to keep in mind that she was not able to hear with her ears. After that, she had attained mastery over the almost 1,000 musical instruments. Can you imagine a girl who could not hear through her ears? She was the master. She could play 1,000 musical instruments. This is really surprising, but she could. Okay students, she learned to feel music through the body instead of hearing it through the ears. How did she made it possible? She could not hear through ears, but she could listen, she could hear the music, she could feel the music through the body, through her body. From each part of her body, she could feel the music. When Evelyn was 11 years old, what happened with her? I am going to study here. When she was 11 years old, it was discovered that she had lost her hearing power due to the nerve damage. When she was 11 years old, anyhow, her nerve damaged and she was not able to hear through her ears. It was discovered when she was 11 years old. Okay students, the specialist advised, that means the doctor advised that she wears hearing aids and be sent to a school for a deaf. So the doctor advised that she should wear a hearing aid, which we call hearing machine, we can say, and should be sent to a school for the deaf. On the contrary, Evelyn was determined to lead a normal life. She did not want to study in a school for the deaf. She want she was determined to lead a normal life. She want to lead a normal life. Okay, students, and followed her interest in music. Just this is the important thing. The doctor advised that the girl should be taught in the school for the deaf, but she herself had interest in music and she want to learn music. She want to lead a normal life. So what happened, dear students? And followed her interest in music, although she was discouraged by her teachers. Her potential was noticed by master precautionist Ron Forbes. You are to keep in your mind the person who encouraged her, although all her teachers discouraged her, but the only person who encouraged her was Ron Forbes. He encouraged her. He guided Evelyn to feel music some other way than to hear it through her ears. So, dear students, you can understand that Evelyn want to learn music. Everyone, even her teacher also discouraged her, but the person Forbes, Ron Forbes encouraged her, and not only encouraged her, he guided her to feel music some other ways than to hear it through her ears. This worked well for Evelyn, and she realized that she could sense different sounds through different parts of her body. What happened when her Rowan Fogg encouraged her? She felt that she could sense the different sounds through different part of her body. Although she was not able to hear the sound through her ears, but now she was able to sense the different sounds through different parts of body. Once she had overcome this hurdle, Evelyn began her career in music. She got admission in the Royal Academy of Music, London, and scored the highest marks in the history of the academy. Just, dear students, keep in mind this is the important thing. The inspiring things is here that she joined Royal Academy of Music. She not only joined the academy, but she scored the highest marks in the history of academy. That means she could not hear, but this did not hurdle his success, her achievements. She got the highest marks in the history of academy. Evelyn says that hard work and dedication. This line is for you too also, the students. Evelyn gives us the slogan. She tells us the way of success, and what it she tells. Evelyn says that hard work and dedication toward her goal helped her achieve success. That means she tells us the key of success is hard work and dedication. We must be hardworking and dedicated to our work. definitely we will success. And even gives free consent for hospitals and schools. She provided free consent for hospitals and schools. In the year 1991, she won the Royal Philanthropic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. Evelyn's story is an inspiring for the differently abled who are motivated to fulfill their dream like she did. She achieved the success, and her success is really the inspiration for other pupils, for the differently abled. Her story motivated everyone. Dear students, this is the summary of the chapter. After that, I want to say that you must read the text in your book. I have already told you the meaning of difficult word. I have already given you the summary of the chapter. On the basis of it, you can understand the chapter properly. Definitely this video will be helpful you for the next section. Next session we will discuss about the explanation of the chapter. Thank you.